Hey everybody, this is James, and this is my work from home look. So I've been having a lot of thoughts about work from home with the recent announcements that some companies are going to have their employees come back to the office. And I've been working from home for over a year now. I started at my last job at Raytheon. I'm still working from home at my current job at Amazon. I actually started my job at Amazon working from home, and I haven't had to come into the office really once. And I have a lot of complicated thoughts on that. One, I feel very fortunate that I can work from home. I like being able to pop up and down, get a snack, get a meal, see my kids, see my wife, and throw the clothes in the laundry, throw them in the dryer, get some stuff done, and then pop in and out of meetings at the same time. That's really nice. On the other hand, it's really stressful sometimes. I'm a program manager, and it is hard to keep my finger on the pulse of what's going on with my projects without just bumping into people in the hallway. I have to be very intentional about setting up calls, setting up Slack chats, setting up emails, and I have to do so much planning because I have not been exposed to the project and the context before getting to work from home. And so I have to do a lot more planning in my head every day, every week to be effective. Now, in my last job at Raytheon, I already knew how to do my job. So transitioning to work from home was actually pretty easy. But starting a new job has been a lot more difficult, like I said. So I have a lot of complicated thoughts about this. Part of me sometimes wants to go back into the office. I actually tried to go back into the office last month one time just to get some work done, get away from the noise upstairs with the kids. But that was more difficult than I thought because I didn't have procedures in place. But a lot of the times I want to stay home because, for one, I can save time. I would spend time commuting. I would spend energy and stress commuting that I don't spend right now. So a lot of complicated thoughts. I guess I'll just do whatever most people do when it's time to go back or make that decision. But I think I will enjoy the hybrid work lifestyle. So, in the future, I really hope that I can spend 2, 3 days working at home, 2, 3 days working in the office. So I'd love to know what you think. Let me know in the comments. See ya.